See, it's already starting to go. Good. See, already starting to go. His neck is so mobile up here. Begging to go. Jesus Christ. That was nuts. Okay, nice relax right here. Okay. Oh, good. Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Was that a little bigger?
That was much bigger.
STMJ. Open. Very good. Open. Open again. Relax.
Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Getting some mobility here in the thoracic spine. We're going to get here for the cervical thoracic region. Very good. Same thing right in here. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Releasing. Solta. Ótimo. Respira fundo. Ótimo. Soltar, solta. Isso, deixa eu preparar. Aí, respira bem. Solta. Respira fundo para soltar. Solta. Ótimo, perfeito.
Tá podendo levar o meu nome uma vez aqui pro lugar mais alto.
Ótimo. Respira. Respira fundo. Soltar, solta. Ótimo. Entrevista. Relaxa.
Nossa, agora foi.
Ótimo.
Moleque.
Respira fundo. Relaxa mais, cabeça. Isso. Ótimo. Boa.
Talking to my left hand. Can you do that?
No.
Alright. Talking to my right hand. Put your chin on your chest and keep it there. Bend forward a little bit more. And another one. Have I hit you yet? Just the one hand. Okay, let it roll off. Especially a tender, slow gentleman. Look at that lovely adjustment.
Take a big breath in, please. All the way out. Let it go. And again, big breath. All the way out.
There we got it. Perfect. Good, you're doing fine. Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Just let it rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of tension over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, let it go. Good.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. That was very good. That was locked up.
All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, big breath in. All the way out, please. Let it go. Good, right up here. Good. How's that?
Wonderful.
Relax. Good. Other side, please. I'm gonna put my hand on your bottom. Relax. Here we go. Good. Drop your shoulders down. Good. And again. Good.
So on this one, and I want you just to keep your teeth together. I'm gonna put this under your skull. And respira. And relajate. And relax. Oh yeah. You feel that all the way down? Okay, respira and just keep breathing. Squeeze my hand. There you go. Okay, just respira and relajate. Sí, muy bien. Sí, sí. And respira. Sí. And relájate. Sí. Mucho mejor. Sí. Okay. Sí, there we go. Okay, I got you. You see, relájate. Let it go right in my hand. Sí, muy bien. Mm-hmm. Good.
Breathe out. Hold it out. Okay, good. Good, very good. Oh. Pressure. Some seat. Good cheek.
So we're going to set it up with a little tension, moving forward and to the right. Make sure his head stays as close to neutral as we can, and just give it a push.
Good. Good, nice. Let's go here. Good. Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah.
Good.
You retired. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, good. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Move down towards your feet a little bit. I'm going to do a drop table for you. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Two more. Deep breath. All the way out. And last one. Deep breath. All the way out. There we go.
Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Ajá. Inhala. Exhala. ¿Rompió? Se pone aquí de pie. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Suelte. Suelte, mi vida. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Y lleva la cabeza arriba. Atrás. Exacto. Ok.
We'll take it this way, just relax. Good. Right into this joint. Take a deep breath, blow it out. Good. Okay.
Deep breath for me. All. Perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Beautiful. Oh, this is the first time this barn was like
I know.
relaxing. Beautiful.
Nice deep breath through your nose. There we go. Okay, I got one more here today. There it is. Good. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Oh, that felt good.
That felt good.
Yep. Turn the other way. Lay on your back. Hands on your tummy.
Very good. Let me palpate right through here. Relax right here for me. Good movement. Excellent. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, good movement there. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax right there for me. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There we go. Got some movement in there? All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Give me this hand here. Right there. Relax your upper body there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face up for me. Movement. Relax right here for me. There you go. Excellent. One more. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Relax here for me. Very good. Good stuff. Relax right here for me. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here. I'm going to get some movement right in here. Very good. All right, right in here. Relax here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let's try one more right over here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Very good. Okay, relax right in here for me. Very good. Excellent work. How'd that feel for you, buddy?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Was that your first adjustment?
Mm-hmm.
All right. First is always the best one. Relax here. Very good. Relax right there for me. Good. Very good. Felt that movement in here?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Good movement.